Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome to another Mini Monday. Today we're gonna try to make a buckwheat soup. I hope it goes well. I have never made this soup. So to make the soup we're gonna need some chicken starch, some potatoes, carrots, and of course some buckwheat. So first off we're gonna prepare everything for our recipe. We're gonna peel the potatoes, peel the carrots, and that's about it. That's all that we have to do. Peeling potatoes, I feel that anyone can do. If you don't know how to peel potatoes, you probably should just buy some peeled potatoes. So the carrots and potatoes are peeled. We're now gonna cut the carrots in small, tiny slices. I have no idea how big of the slices I have to cut. I'm just gonna cut it in wherever it goes. So I think 2 carrots is gonna be enough. I don't think you should worry if your slices are uneven, and just fuck it. It's food. You're gonna digest it anyway. I know you're gonna make it pretty and all, but it's a soup, who gives a fuck? So now that we have cut our carrots, we're just gonna, you guessed it, we're gonna cut the potatoes. So what I like to do with potatoes, I like to slice them in half, and then we're gonna make some strips. I think strips, yeah, some strips. So why am I making this soup? Pretty logical explanation. This is one of my childhood favorite foods. My old grandma used to make them. I always liked the soup. It was delicious. Sometimes she put in there some chicken, sometimes not. But today we're just gonna do it without the chicken. There's no need to make it too complicated for the first time. So now that everything's been cut, we're just gonna put the potatoes and carrots in a bowl. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this kettle, start boiling some water, and put the tiny cube in the water till it dissolves. I just understood that I'm an idiot. For these last few clips I had forgotten to turn on the microphone. What I did, the cube dissolved, I put in the bag of buckwheat in there. Now it has to boil for about 5 minutes, and then we can add our vegetables. And then we're gonna boil that until it's all ready. I actually realized something. I probably had to rinse the buckwheat before I put it in the kettle in the water boiling. Yeah, well, I mean, we'll see. It's probably fine. So now that the buckwheat is aggressively jumping in there, I think it's the right time. We take our bowl and add it in. Come on. Yeah, that's it. By the way, I actually decided I'm gonna add some frozen beans in there. So yeah, I'm gonna add those, and that's gonna add some more color and more flavor to our soup. And yeah, I'm talking here shit like I know shit, but I have no fucking idea. This is probably gonna taste like shit. So the soup is ready, and I'm ready to taste it. It's not bad. It's missing something, but it's definitely not bad. Maybe it's the chicken I was talking at the start of the video. Maybe it's the chicken that's missing. But mostly this is a pretty good soup. I'm actually impressed. I did something good this time. I probably needed to rinse that buckwheat. Anyway, what I would suggest, yeah, you put some chicken, some actual chicken in here. Put some peas. Some peas, yes, put some peas. I wanted to put some peas in there, but we had none. Maybe I put too much buckwheat in there, but it's pretty good, yeah. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Now that I finished the soup, I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion. The soup was pretty good. It was pretty good. I recommend it. And don't forget to add some chicken. Add some fucking chicken. Add the chicken. I recommend you adding the chicken. Listen here. If you don't add the chicken, I'm gonna come there and I'm gonna do it myself. Let me know what I should make in the next video. And I will probably never make it. So subscribe, like, bye!